Mastering corrective action planning. Operational excellence remains a vague myth without concrete KPIs. How do we currently define and track the key performance indicators, KPIs, that are most critical to measuring and achieving operational excellence within our organization? To establish a robust corrective action planning process that drives operational excellence, our organization will implement a structured approach to defining and tracking key performance indicators, KPIs. This process will ensure that we focus on the most critical metrics that have a direct impact on our operational performance and drive continuous improvement. Firstly, we will identify and select KPIs that are aligned with our organizational goals and objectives. These KPIs will be categorized into four main pillars: safety, quality, delivery, and cost, SQDC. Each pillar will have a set of lead and lag indicators that provide a comprehensive view of our operational performance. The safety pillar will include KPIs such as total recordable injury frequency rate, TRIF, near-miss reporting rate, and safety audit compliance. The quality pillar will comprise KPIs like product defect rate, customer complaint rate, and first-time quality rate. The delivery pillar will feature KPIs such as on-time delivery rate, lead time, and inventory turnover. The cost pillar will include KPIs like cost per unit, labor productivity, and overhead expense as a percentage of revenue. To ensure that these KPIs are meaningful and actionable, we will establish a clear definition and calculation methodology for each metric. This will include identifying the data sources, measurement frequencies, and targets or benchmarks for each KPI. We will also assign ownership and accountability to specific teams or individuals for each KPI, ensuring that they are responsible for collecting and reporting data, analyzing trends, and implementing corrective actions. To track and monitor our KPIs, we will utilize a digital dashboard that provides real-time visibility into our operational performance. This dashboard will display each KPI, its current performance, and its trend over time. We will also set up alerts and notifications for when KPIs exceed predetermined thresholds, triggering corrective action planning and response. The corrective action planning process will involve a structured root cause analysis to identify the underlying causes of performance gaps or deviations from target. We will use tools like the 5 whys, fishbone diagrams, and Pareto analysis to facilitate the root cause analysis. Once the root cause is identified, we will develop and implement corrective actions, which may include process changes, training, or equipment modifications. To ensure that corrective actions are effective, we will establish a verification process to validate the implementation and sustainability of the actions. This will involve regular audits, assessments, and performance monitoring to ensure that the corrective actions have addressed the root cause of the performance gap. In addition, we will conduct regular reviews and assessments of our KPIs to ensure that they remain relevant and effective in measuring operational excellence. This will involve evaluating the KPIs against our organizational goals and objectives, industry benchmarks, and emerging trends and best practices. By implementing this structured approach to defining and tracking KPIs, our organization will be able to measure and achieve operational excellence. We will have a clear line of sight into our operational performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement corrective actions to drive continuous improvement. This will enable us to enhance our productivity, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, ultimately leading to increased competitiveness and business success.